Alright, Saturday. It's already about 3 o'clock. I'm gonna head back to the shop, work on the box. But I said, man, let me stop by the junkyard. See if we see any boxes of donks. They got a caddy coming in. Those ain't in just yet. Watch out. It's already been stripped, cuz. I was hoping to see this one too, cuz yes, this ain't a Chevy, but it's a GM. I want to see if the trunk bars are not too hard to take off, because I need those for my car, and that's pretty much about the same. I wanted the latch. They busted it, but they haven't put this one out yet. But all right, let me go check if we got any. See, 4:30 they're gonna close. So let me go just check. I ain't even bring no tools or nothing, so I'm gonna just check the inventory. If I find something, I'll come back tomorrow morning. The El Dorado, a little bit crusty. A little bit crusty. Yeah, that one was beyond saving. But that's pretty much the first metal bumper I see here, rolling around here. Nothing but plastic bumpers right now. Candy blue with the blinkers, cuz. Watch out. This was with the Benz blinkers. Oh boy, got the real vents too. Yeah. Yandy. These little park abs are actually good. Oh, but he had belts, fit. Boy, was all the way done, boy. Watch out. This ain't an old school, but you don't see too many of these panel vans, boy. This is a HHR, I think, right? Let me see. Yeah. But you don't see too many of them without no windows. That's cool. Look kind of old. Reminiscent of the old schools. Well, yeah, that was a bust as far as looking for what we need exactly right now. But it's a good sign. They got a lot of rows empty in the GM section. So we'll come back in a couple days. We actually probably need to go, like I've been saying, to a few more junkyards. It's just easy to stop by this one because it's by the house, by the shop. But hell yeah, all right. Let me head to the shop, work on this damn box. All right, back tinkering on this motor. I wish I would have worked on the car more today. It's late Saturday, but it is what it is. I did take off an A-arm, one of the A-arms, and I fiddled with it a little bit outside. I didn't feel nothing, but it's all good. We're gonna put some work in right here to the motor. Let me see if I can flip this motherfucker over. I'm going ahead and take the oil pan off. We're gonna do the oil pan gasket. So I want to take that off first, and then flip it back over, and we'll take off the valve cover. But let me see if I can flip this thing over. Oh my God. Well, while we sit here, let's continue Boxmas 2024, and let's talk about one of my boxes. I had plenty of them. Let's talk about the 85 Landau that I bought. When I bought it too. It was a 85. I had already had a few two-door boxes. So at this time, I was already working at the tire shop, still living with my parents. So all my little money went to cars and shit. So I had my 90 model Cadillac and an 86 two-door Landau at the time. A gray one. My first two-door Landau. I'm gonna save that story for another day. I'm gonna talk about my 85. So I'm on Craigslist at the time, which was very popular. I loved Craigslist. We used to buy and sell there all the time. Oh shit, this shit's loose. And two doors were hard to find back then. They're super hard to find now. But back then, them shits was impossible, bro. Still the same. One popped up, and cool, I had a little extra bread.
Oh.
What?
Nothing. The oil's coming out.
More? Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me let it drain. Cool, perfect. Now you take the bucket off. Well, anyways, check it out. It was so random. This is Craigslist days. So you had to call people and stuff, and they sounded like some white folks. And it was an 85 white with the blue top. And the funny part about it was that day, for some reason, a lot of people were around. my brother was around. I told him, hey, come check out the car with me. My homeboy Lewis had just bought a Trailblazer, the 3-row truck or some shit, Envoy or something. Anyways, he came to show us the truck. There was about 6 people around, and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna go check out this car. Y'all wanna go? And everybody's like, yeah. And then Lewis like, man, yeah. He wanted to test drive his car and shit. We all went deep. We went 6 deep to go look at this car, which was kind of crazy. Anyways, we get there and me and my brother like looking at this car everywhere. Supposedly, you know, we good at buying cars and shit. And you know, boom, boom. I'm like, can I take it for a test drive? And so one thing I noticed it, but I didn't notice it. They had said the passenger side window didn't roll up and down. And they had like a plastic bag on the passenger side window. And so that's all I noticed. Whenever I looked at it, I'm like, can we take a test drive? He's like, yeah, I'll just ride with you. You could drive it, the seller. And so I remember getting in the car, and this fool, like, I clearly remember this, like, he opened the door real quick and got in and boom, like, real quick. Like, and I was like, what the fuck? Like, real quick, like, I'm like, whatever, I drive it around. Yeah, it's kind of hoopish. Exhaust leak, but it's running and driving. I think at the time, they wanted like 2,700 and I offered him 2,500. I offered him 2,000, I think. I think that was the numbers, but they weren't budging too much. So 2,500 is what I took the 2,700 because I wanted the car. But 2,500 is what I ended up getting, and they threw in the intake. I remember they had some parts in the garage. But the funny thing was, me and my brother looking at it, I had other people with me. All these people looking at this damn car, we're looking for rust. We're looking for Bondo. You know, supposedly this and that. Anyways, we make the deal. The mom and the dad come out. It's a white folks. They give us hugs and shit. And boom, we out of there. I'm driving the box to the gas station, right? Why you make that face?
Because I don't know where it's gonna go. Because you were like that he just like got in real fast. So I was thinking like something was gonna come of it, and so I'm waiting to hear it.
So cool, we make the deal, we leave. Dog, we get to the gas station, and then you know with the gas station lights, I'm all excited. You know, I'm rubbing my hands and shit. And we pumping gas. Dog, my brother opens the passenger side door. Dog, half the door is missing. Rusted the fuck out. The whole post, like, missing completely. Like, dog. That's why homeboy opened the door and closed it real quick. Because when it's closed, you couldn't notice it.
Yeah. That's what it was, though.
And so I was so excited. And we looking at this car over and over and yada, yada. And that bitch was rusted like a motherfucker right there.
But
like,
that's
the door
it. At that point, it was done.
Yeah, like, that was our fault, dog. We had all these people looking at this car and we missed something humongous. Like, big ass door, and it was like a piece of it was on it, and there was a piece right here, and it was all rusted, the whole frame of the door.
Yeah, we're just enamored with it, distracted.
That shit was crazy, dog. Anyways, that one later turned out to be my green one.
Oh, okay.
Years later, I'll continue the story another day, but let me try to flip this over without tipping it.
It's still just dripping a little bit.
We still got some more?
It's still dripping a little bit.
Oh, that's fine. Watch out, Valentino. Nah, this might flip over. Stand back
up.
Oh, goddamn. More oil?
It sounds like it.
Or was that water?
I don't know. I heard something.
Right?
Yeah.
There might be some water still in the system.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes. Oh, no. You need a bucket or something?
It's too late now.
I mean, it's actually not too late.
Can you use that bucket?
No, I don't want to mix it with the oil. Oh. Well, I guess that oil's bad. Fuck. This is horrible. Go get the mop, Margaret, please.
It looks like pee. It's on the cartoon screen, but when it's on the floor, it's actually.
Oh, it smells horrible too.
It does.
Hold on.
Oh, nah, I don't like that. I don't like that smell.
Tragedy, y'all. Tragedy. Look. All right, we're gonna clean it up and we're gonna bring it back. Hold on.
Mm-mm.
All right, well, that shit's still draining. We're gonna take this old pan off. Really, it held up pretty good. I don't think it leaked too much, but we're already here. And it did get banged up. You see this right here? It got banged up from all that hopping. So, hell yeah. And then pop this old pan off, and then we'll click y'all back on. Took the bolts off. Let's see how this motor looks. How nasty it does. It should look nasty though. This shit was actually a brand new rebuilt block from Thunderbolt. I didn't put that many miles on it. Oh, smashed my finger. Y'all seen that?
Watch it.
You want to see what the motor looks like? Let it come on this side. On the inside. Ah, smashed my finger again.
Oh my gosh. It's still attached.
Brown, well, yeah, it's because of the oil. Oh my God, the gasket. That's a good gasket. That's that Felpro wood, boy.
Can I get a close up?
Oh yeah, everything look clean. Pickup tube. Looks like I got a little rust. What the hell? But nah, everything look A1. Again, I ain't no engine expert. No, don't put nothing up over here about to accidentally drop something in here. Oh, you see it? So when it's turning, all that, man, why you turn? All right. It's making compression. You see that?
Yes.
That looks crazy, huh? What do you think? What do you think? More water coming out. Alright, next thing we're gonna bust these valve covers off. Why? Because it's gonna be easy to polish them out and we might as well change the gasket. Alright, let's see how dirty and clean it looks. Alright, pretty clean, no buildup. Don't look like it.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can come see it. Side. Oh my God. I put a little bit of a dab of silicone. I guess I went crazy with the silicone. I said a little bit of silicone. Look at that shit. I put globs of that shit. No wonder that shit wasn't coming off. Then we're gonna end this video here. Tomorrow morning I'll hit up the O'Reilly's and get the valve cover gaskets, the oil pan gasket, and just clean. I need to clean all this right now that the valve covers are off. Clean all this, polish, organize right here. That's probably what I'll do first thing when I get here tomorrow morning. Organize. I'm gonna call it a night right there. But hell yeah, I'm glad the motor looks good. The internals. Well, not the internals, but this looks good. Obviously, like I said, it was a rebuild, brand new rebuild from Thunderbolt. I didn't put too many miles on it. So, all right, we finna, like I said, we go get some gaskets. All right, let's see.
Is that on there already?
Yeah, that's it, all the gaskets. But I wanted to take it off, you know what I'm saying? That would be boom. I didn't want to go buy stuff. There's just stuff everywhere, so slowly. But I think that's what we're gonna focus on tomorrow. First thing in the morning. Gonna go get all the gaskets for this motor and then keep cleaning, keep polishing. But Boxmas 2024 continues, baby. Appreciate y'all watching.